good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for attending my presentation. I'm Steve. Today our topic is travel in Hong Kong with meaning. Actually, I'm from Hong Kong and I live in there for 27 years. So in this presentation, I select three popular attractions. I select three most popular attractions include Hong Kong Disneyland, Ocean Park Hong Kong, and Pauline Monastery. And I will also share the transportations from the Hong Kong airport. So our first station is Hong Kong Disneyland. Before I talk about the Hong Kong Disneyland, I would like to share how to get there from Hong Kong International Airport. When you arrive in Hong Kong, suppose you are in Hong Kong Airport. So when you leave Hong Kong Airport, you are already in our subway station, airport stations. So now you will take about 15 minutes from airport to Disneyland Resort. I think Hong Kong subway system is very wonderful. You can go anywhere, just take the subway. Okay, now we arrive in Disneyland. When you leave the train station, okay, you will in the Disneyland. Some of you may have experienced in Japan Disneyland or USA Disneyland. It is similar with Hong Kong. It's considered by 6 theme areas, including Main Street, USA, Fantasyland, Adventureland, and Tomorrowland, and so on. And the opening hours is from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. every day. I think some of you may concern about the adult tickets. It costs 450 Hong Kong dollars, and the children tickets cost 320. So now we pretend to visit Disneyland. So now we move to the next station, Ocean Park. So now we finish to visit Disneyland. So we take a train to Tsing-Yi because Ocean Park is in Tsing-Yi. It uses another 15 minutes to get to there. So when we leave Tsing-Yi station, we are already in Ocean Park. Ocean Park is another theme park in Hong Kong. The topic is different with Disneyland. All the topic about the ocean. Okay. It is included Marine World, Theme Mountain, Adventureland, Polar Adventure, and so on. And the opening hour is from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Okay. Now we also intend to finish to visit Ocean Park. So now we move to our final stations, the Big Buddha. Before talk about the Big Buddha, we will take a train to get there. So now we are in Tsing-Yi. We use another 45 minutes to get there. Firstly, we will go to Tung Chung and then change cable car to get there. Okay. When we leave our cable car, we are already in Pauline Monastery. Why this is popular in Hong Kong? It used about 12 years to construct this Big Buddha. It is also a landmark in Hong Kong, and it is 34 meters it is, you don't need to pay any admission fee, and it is open, and the opening hour is from 10 o'clock to 5:30 every day. But please make sure you leave at 4 o'clock, because after 4 o'clock you can't find any transportations to live there. So now I'm end of my presentations. Hopefully you guys can have some basic understanding of Hong Kong attractions. Thank you for your attention. Thank you.